garden where the sunlight bends slow. I trace the edges of petals like I trace your name. Morning breathes on lavender and gold. I learned the language of roses in quiet frames. Every tiny blossom keeps a memory of you. Moss underfoot holds secrets of passing feet. Wind writes our stories on the birch and pine. I step through shadow and open space, counting the colors where your fingers would shine. The forest hums a lullaby, soft and true. If you were with me, we'd wander through the bloom. Hand in hand, we'd carry sunlight in our lungs. Stay with me in the petals, stay where hearts resume. Evening gathers petals like a gentle song. I watch the daisies turn their faces to the moon. Your laugh is a ripple in the quiet pond. I fold my days into the scent of June. Soft as prayer, the wildflowers remember us. Trails of ivy lead back to the place we knew. Footprints fade, but the green holds our name. I whisper to the orchids, asking where you are. The brook answers in silver, calling the same. In every leaf, your shadow blooms again. If you were with me, we'd breathe the forest slow. Share the hush where petals learn to glow. Stay with me beneath the branches, let the world go. I wake to a window full of trembling light. Petals falling like confessions on the sill. The garden keeps a map of all our small delights. Each bloom a compass saying you are near still. I press my palm to the soil and feel your will. Season by season I trace the same soft road. You and I in the spaces between rain and sun. We listen to the cedar count the years in rings. In every sunrise I find the proof we've begun. The flowers bow as if to bless what we've become. If you were with me, we'd gather dawn in our hands, laugh like the river, light enough to land. Stay with me in this garden where two hearts stand.